Welcome to Bholanath Academy. Today students we are going to see the preparation of aldehyde. Now students here we are using 4 raw material for the preparation of aldehyde. The first raw material which we are going to prepare aldehyde is students that is called as dihalides. So first students we are using ethylene dihalide, CH3 C, where this carbon is attached by 2, same carbon is attached by 2 chloride group. So this is called as ethylene dichloride. This is ethylene dichloride. Ethylene dichloride. This is the raw material students. Dihalide we are using ethylene dichloride. You can take methylene dichloride also. Now here we are adding students aqueous KOH. In presence of when you add KOH, aqueous KOH, KOH which is dissolved in water. Now what happens students? Hydrolysis reaction will take place. When you heat it, hydrolysis reaction will take place and you will get students, you will get acetaldehyde. This is the acetaldehyde you are going to get. This is the acetaldehyde. This is the first aldehyde we have prepared from ethylene dichloride. Very important students. And 2KCl as a byproduct we are getting, but we are interested in aldehyde. This is the first method we have prepared the aldehyde from ethylene dichloride. Now second students you are using as a alcohol from primary alcohols. From primary alcohol, this is the CH3 CH2 OH. On oxidation students, on oxidation of primary alcohols students, this is the primary alcohols. On oxidation you will get primary alcohol. On oxidation you will get CH3 CH2 CHO. This is the acetaldehyde. This is the second method we have prepared the aldehyde. Now third students, we are going to prepare the aldehyde from calcium salt of fatty acid. We are using third method by using the calcium salt of fatty acid students. So CH3 COO, which is attached to the calcium, is divalent. So here 2 molecules of acetate is required, and calcium acetate. This is called as calcium acetate and calcium formate. When you heat these 2 molecules students, this is a dry distillation method. By dry distillation students, you will get acetaldehyde, CH3 C, and calcium carbonate. 2 molecules of calcium carbonate will be eliminated as a byproduct. So this is the acetaldehyde students we have prepared, acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde can be also prepared by calcium acetate and calcium formate. Now students, we are going to prepare acetaldehyde, that is second acetaldehyde. Fourth method by using hydrogen to prepare the aldehyde is from hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide, it is also called as nitrile. When combines with Grignard reagent, we can use, I am using here methyl magnesium iodide, and ether as a solvent in presence of ether. And after this you have to add dilute hydrochloric acid. Dilute means in HCl we are adding water also. So you will get students only one product, that is called as acetaldehyde, CH3. This is the CH3, and you will get aldehyde group like this. So this is the acetaldehyde. So this is the fourth way we have prepared the aldehyde students. These are the 4 raw material from where we have got the aldehyde. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.